If you need to find your GoDaddy invoices, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to locate your billing records inside your GoDaddy account so you can view the invoice you need, check order details, and even export your purchase history to a CSV file if you want to keep a backup. This is especially useful if you're tracking business expenses, looking for a renewal receipt, or just need proof of payment for a domain, hosting plan, or other GoDaddy service. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software and account tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into the account that made the purchase. This part is important because invoices are tied to the specific account that placed the order. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu where you'll find several account-related options. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you into the main account management area where you can review your profile, billing, and other account details. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Order History and click it. This is where GoDaddy stores your past purchases, renewals, and billing records. Now you'll see a list of your orders. Select the order you need from the list. You may see domain registrations, hosting renewals, or other products you've purchased. When you click the correct order, GoDaddy will show you the details associated with that purchase, and this is where you can find the invoice information you're looking for. If you need to keep a copy for your records, look for the export option and click Export to CSV. This is a great way to download your order history into a spreadsheet so you can organize invoices, share them with your accountant, or keep them stored for later. Once the file is exported, you'll have easy access to the invoice data outside of GoDaddy as well, and that's it. That's how to find GoDaddy invoices quickly and manage your order history from your account. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GoDaddy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.